Welcome to all my gentle viewers. This is Professor K. Syed Abu Tahir, Assistant Professor of English, Jamal Muhammad College. Today, in this session, I would like to take the one act play, The Bishop's Candlesticks. The Bishop's Candlesticks, a play in one act. The play written in 1908. The play Bishop Candlesticks, written by Norman Macdonald, founded on an incident in Victor Hugo's novel Les Miserables. Before we going to see the story, we analyze the author's detail. Norman Macdonald, born in 10th February 1870 at Scotland, UK. He died at the age of 62 in 29th March 1932, London, UK. He was a Scottish stage and film actor and playwright. He acted in the world-famous film director Alfred Hitchcock's film Downhill, 1927. As a playwright, he is known for the play The Bishop's Candlesticks. The Bishop's Candlesticks, it is an one-act play. So the characters are very few. The bishop, Person, the convict, and Mary. The bishop, he is the prime and protagonist of the play. He is the hero of the story. He is very noble and simple person who always ready to help anyone in distress. Person, she is the sister of Bishop. She was not generous and kind as her brother and very materialistic. She feels that the simplicity and nobility of the bishop has been misused by the people. So she so rude behavior against oppressed people. And another most important character, the convict. The convict, he was not a convict since his birth. He was leading a common life before he became a criminal. He had no faith in religion. He had given severe punishment which made him heartless and soulless. But Bishop's noble behavior changed his mind. He promised Bishop to start his new life in a new way. The Bishop Candlesticks story. The bishop is a noble and kind-hearted, loving person. He lives with his sister Person. The bishop has donated everything except candlesticks gifted by her dying mother. One day, a convict enters his house and asks for food at the point of his knife. The bishop calls Person and treats him with kindness and provides him cold pay, wine, and bread to eat. The convict tells the bishop that he lived in the prison for 10 years. His wife Janet was ill and he stole a piece of bread for her but was arrested soon. While in the jail, he was informed that his wife had died. He had broken the prison and came out. Now the convict is in the bishop's house. The bishop asks him to sleep in his house. The convict sees the candlesticks. He steals them and runs away. The next morning, Person and the bishop find the candlestick missing. A sergeant enters with 3 soldiers and the convict. They had seen the convict walking on the road with the candlesticks and they have arrested him on the suspicion. The cops identified the candlesticks of the bishop. Though the candlesticks were the parting gift presented to him by his mother, the bishop saves the convict from going to jail by telling he has gifted them to the convict and calls the convict his friend. The convict is deeply touched and asks for the bishop's blessings. The bishop blessing him, and also gives the candlesticks as a gift. Then he shows him the road to Paris. He also asks him to remember that the body of man is the temple of God. The convict becomes a man again and leads an honest living in Paris. This is the story of the Bishop Candlesticks. Thank you. Thank you to each and everyone watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all.